All right. So this is chapter 7. Oops. Let's get out of there. Chapter 7. That's better. Number 10. All right. So they give us a helicopter. Let's draw a picture of what's going on. A beautiful helicopter. And it's got the weight, the force of gravity acting on it, mg. Whenever you do a free body diagram, draw an arrow to show its vector. And then there's the force of the lift. In this solution manual, they put F sub L. I put of PR. Or propeller, the force of the propeller. Now, we know it's accelerating upwards. That's the acceleration. And let's list when. We know that the mass equals m. Okay. We also know that the acceleration equals 0.10 b. This is a 1. Alright. And we know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. The first part of the question asks, what is the force of the lift, of the propeller? Alright. And the second part of the question asks, what is the total work done by the propeller? The lift was done by the lift. Alright, so, and that's assuming that the distance it travels is h. Let's give us. They say, what's the work of the propeller done on the helicopter if the distance it travels is h? Okay, so that's what they give us. Now, what we can work with for part A, let's go up here, is the sum of the forces is equal to, well, the force will be the propeller force minus the weight. The weight is in the opposite direction. The force of it is in the opposite direction. The whole thing equals ma, mass times acceleration, but we know acceleration. We know the acceleration is 0.10 g. Okay. So let's solve for the force of the propeller. That equals m 0.01 g plus mg. All right. Volts. We can put that in over here, I think. That equals 0.10. Oh, look what I did over here. I put 0.01. Well, not right. It's 0.10. And let's just go over here. rid of this thing. Let's redraw. Pow. Okay. That's 0.10. That's better. So 1.10 mg. And actually, that's your answer. Now, we could plug in 9.8 meters per second squared for g and calculate that. However, since you already have a variable, well, not really a variable, but they give you the mass, but it's in letter format. So since you already have that, it's okay to put other letters representing number in with the answer. So it's okay to leave it at 1.1 mg. M represents specific number that they give us, though we don't know what that number is, and G represents a specific number. Okay, so that's the answer for part A. Let's do part B. What is the work done? Well, the work done by the propeller is forced by the propeller. That's parallel to the displacement. And that is 1.0 mg times the displacement, which they give us is h. So we'll put that instead of displacement. And that's your answer. Again, since we have mass and height as numbers that we don't know but are represented by letters, we can keep G as letter 2. And you're done. Good job.